A very good day to every one of you here taking time to watch this webinar. I'm going to share with you a fantastic opportunity that I've encountered and why I believe that this company is going to go through a bigger growth than it has experienced over the past 2 to 3 years. It is an exciting business that is going to affect everyone that's going to be part of this, and I'm going to show you why in the next coming slides. So Greenleaf, as you can check on their website, they have a purpose and a mission. They have a great set of core culture, but the most important thing about this company is why it's unique and why I believe that it's going to be the largest high quality and reasonable price service platform. So they are established in China in the year 2001. However, at that time, they only are a production and manufacturing plant and nothing more than that. Today, it is a completely different story, and I will show you why in the next coming slides. So they base many of their resources on research and development. So they focus on daily chemical products for over 20 years. The whole facility is recognized and passes all the quality certification, cleanliness, and everything is at the highest industrial level. As we can see, there are many brand series with Greenleaf, and all of that we can check on the website. Currently, the company offers up to about 1,200 products to its consumers, and it ranges from a variety of categories, from beauty to kitchen and bathroom, food and drink, maternal and childcare, dress accessories, and so much more. So when we are on the website, we can check all of the available products and what are the upcoming. To hit 7,000 products by the end of 2019, that is the company's goal. From 1,200 to 7,000, that is about 5 times more that the company is going to offer to its consumers and to the market. The competitive edge for Greenleaf is simple: to have high quality products that are safe to use and based at a lower price. Greenleaf was officially granted the direct marketing license on 16th of March 2016 by the Ministry of Commerce in China. In 2016, we saw the sales pick up at about 3 billion RMB. However, in the year 2017, we see a surge in the growth like never before in the industry, and that is about 1,500% growth from 3 billion renminbi to 49.7 billion in 2017. In 2018, this year, we expect the sales to hit over 200 billion. So this company is experiencing a huge growth in the direct selling industry. Why we are seeing these kinds of volumes and in sales for Greenleaf, it is because of the products. The products speak for itself. Of the sales, it is proven a high quality range of offered products, and they are offered at the most competitive prices in the market today. The Greenleaf growth in 2017 had surpassed all expectations, and that puts Greenleaf into the top 100 direct selling company in our world today. It is a company not only focused on growth and making money, but also giving back to society through social welfare and responsibility. So they dedicate themselves and to give back to communities that are in need. Greenleaf is a platform of an entirely new era of business strategy, and that is evolved over time into a combination of ways to consume their products, online shopping, offline experience in the retail store, through their marketing services and regional agent supply. This is really exciting because it gives people opportunity, and that is what we want to see. Malaysia is the first country that is going to be expanded, and that is fantastic news for all of us here in the Asian markets, in Thailand, in Philippines, in Indonesia, and so many more other countries. In this slide, we will explain the compensation plan based on the Malaysian currency. With all the great things that's been happening behind Greenleaf, its business, and the people who has made lots of money through its networking system, we are going to look at the compensation plan for Greenleaf and how this can help us leverage our business with our network. The Greenleaf system is so easy to understand, and it only comes in one package. When you buy a Greenleaf package, you are entitled to a lifetime membership, and that includes no monthly auto ships or maintenances. You also earn return on investment bonus, which means to say anyone joining in your network within 20 levels, you earn 6 ringgit and 45 cents until your investment cost is returned to you. You also get 6,400 ringgit discount vouchers, which you can use to spend at a discounted rate. Altogether, you get a product value of 1,600 ringgit, which are high quality, environmentally friendly daily necessities. So with every package, you earn a return on investment bonus, which I have just briefly explained. However, there's 2 other bonuses available. One is called the level bonus, which you earn 378 ringgit 40 cents when you form a new level based on the binary structure by getting agents on your left and your right team. This I will explain further. This bonus has no limits and the award is not capped. The other bonus is a pairing bonus, which you earn 94 ringgit 60 cents for every paired volume. There is no flushing on the larger volume in this bonus, and you can earn a maximum of 24 times daily. That amounts to 2,270 ringgit per day. Let's look at a scenario. You have shared with person A and person B. So what do you get? Since you have 2 new agents, on your return on investment bonus, you earn 645 for every agent. That amounts to 1290. Because a new level is formed through A and B, you earn 378.40 cents. And lastly, because you have a pairing bonus, one on the left, one on the right, makes a pair, and you earn 94.60. That is a total of 485.90 cents after a deduction of 10% admin fees. Let's look at a bigger scenario whereby A1 and A2 and B1 and B2 has joined your network. Because of these 4 new agents, you earn 25.80. Again, another level is formed. That's another 378.40 cents. And lastly, on the pairing bonus, you have 2 new agents on the left, which makes a pair, and 2 on the right. That amounts to 189.20. A total net of 534.06 cents. As the network grows, you will soon realize that you will not be able to qualify for the return on investment bonus, as your initial cost has been earned back. The level bonus stays, and with every new level formed in your network, you earn 378.40 cents. The pairing bonus is a maximum at 24 times a day, and each pairing bonus earns you 94.60. That's a total amount of 2,270 and 40 cents daily. In this scenario, you'll be earning 2,648.20 cents with the new level bonus. On the pairing bonus itself, the potential is roughly 68,112 per month. Now we are at the early stages of expansion, but as soon as it enters into markets in Asia, Africa, and globally, we'll be able to see huge volumes coming in, and that means more people joining the network. Already we can see how we can maximize the profits from using the system. As soon as our network hits 160 in group sales on the left and right team, we will be able to earn a ranking bonus where 3% of the global pool share will be shared. The first rank would be the manager, which takes 30% of the global pool sharing. To become a manager, they must have 30 left and right new volume in the month to qualify. How much does it take to become a manager? On the left group, we have about 160, and each package is valued at 1,376. That means on the left and right group, it's roughly 222,000 on each side. Next on, we have the senior manager, which shares 20% of the global pool. To become a senior manager, you must have one manager in your left group and one manager on your right group. This can be an indirect member or agent. The same goes with the director, sharing 20% of the global pool sharing, one senior manager on the left and one on the right. And for the senior director, which shares 15% of the global pool share, one director on the left, one director on the right. And finally, we have 1 star to 5 stars. Each star would share 3% of the global pool sharing. As a 1 star, you'll be complimented with a car which is worth about 400,000 ringgit, and at this stage you will be earning more than 300,000 a month. As a 2 star, you'll be given a complimentary home worth about 2.5 million ringgit, and at this stage you're earning roughly 400,000 or more every single month. As a 3 star, there will be roughly about 500,000 ringgit and more. Currently in Malaysia, there is only one director, and that's the highest rank. We foresee that it's going to be growing bigger and bigger as Greenleaf continues to innovate in its products and services. So as a 4 star, it's as simple as before: 3 stars in the left group, 3 stars in the right group, and finally 5 stars, 4 stars in one group, and 4 stars on the right. And finally, we have the repeat sales bonus, where you earn 2% of your sales volume through your discount vouchers every month from levels 1 through 40. So what are the highlights from this system that we have seen? There is no need to sell and ship. Members can shop physically at the physical stores or online. There is no assessment or psychological pressure. The system is developed to help others to leverage on their network, and it reflects a principle of working with your group and be able to save greatly on daily necessities. I believe that Greenleaf is a blue ocean company that is providing the market high quality products at a low price. And 2019 is going to be a great year for expansion. For those of you who are part of this, good luck to all of you. I believe that the company is going to experience fantastic product innovations, and we will see a greater variety of products coming in the year. Thanks for attending the webinar. Please contact your introducer who introduced you this video and get back to them to get started with Greenleaf. Thank you.